Hey guys, Michael from Conquer Chemistry. In today's video, we'll be going over how to calculate the pH of strong bases. Strong bases are compounds that contain an alkali metal or alkali earth metal with hydroxide, with the exception of beryllium and magnesium. And strong bases, they will completely dissociate, just like strong acids will. I have two examples here. Let's just jump straight into it and see how to calculate the pH of strong bases. The first question asks, what is the pH of 125 milliliter 0.078 molar barium hydroxide solution? The very first step is to figure out the concentration of hydroxide, and to figure that out, you'll take the original concentration of the base, in this case 0.078, and then multiply by the number of hydroxide, the number of OHs. Here we have two OHs and one barium hydroxide, so we multiply by 2, which will give us the concentration as 0.156 molar. Then you figure out the pOH by taking the negative log of the OH value that we got. And then that will give us 0.81. And then lastly, you can subtract the pOH from 14, or do 14 minus the pOH, and I'll give you the pH, which here will be 13.19. And this will be two sig figs, because for pH and pOH, only numbers after the decimal point count as sig figs. Our original concentration has 2 sig figs, and so our final answer should have 2 sig figs. Notice here that the volume didn't matter. We never used the 125 milliliters in the calculation, so we didn't need to look at the sig fig of this, and we just needed the molarity. If the molarity is not given, instead of you're given grams or you're given moles, then convert it to molarity and then do this process. Then in this next question is asked, what is the pH of 55 milliliters 0.132 molar lithium hydroxide solution? We'll start with the concentration of hydroxide, which is going to equal the original concentration 0.132 multiplied by the number of hydroxide. In this case, this is 1. So the concentration of hydroxide would just be 0.132 molar. Then figure out the pOH by taking the negative log of the OH, and that'll give us 0.879. Then subtract the pOH from 14 to get pH. So 14 minus 0.879 equals 13.121. And this is 3 sig figs, so that's only the 3 numbers after the decimal point counts, and our original solution was 3 sig figs. Our original concentration had 3 sig figs. And that's how you do it. That's how you would calculate the pH of a strong base. So let's just recap how we did that. We started off by figuring out the concentration of hydroxide, which you can get by taking the original concentration and multiplied by the number of hydroxides. Then you figure out the pOH by taking the negative log of the concentration of hydroxide. Then you subtract the pOH from 14 to get the pH. If you want to learn how to ace chemistry, if you want to learn what's the best way to study for this class, if you want to learn some neat tricks and tips to take into your exam and do better on them, then you should head over to my website and get this free guide, 12 Secrets to Acing Chemistry. You can head over to www.conquerchemistry.com/chemsecrets. I'm going to include a link in the description below. Check it out. I think it's really going to help you, and you're gonna like it. Until next time, keep working hard and continue the good work.